Hello, this is multiple choice questions on auditing principles and practices part 6. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is useful for UG and PG students, those who are to write their final semester's examination in this paper. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Joint audit implies A. Audit of two concerns together. B. Audit of joint stock companies. C. Audit of joint sector companies. D. Audit by two firms of CA. Correct option is D. Audit by two firms of CA. 2. Systems audit implies A. Systematic examination of accounts. B. Audit undertaking to improve editing systems. C. Enquiring accounting and control systems. D. Checking the performance of management. Correct option is C. Enquiring accounting and control systems. 3. Internal check is carried on by A. Special staff. B. Internal auditor. C. Account. D. None of the above. Correct option is D. None of the above. Question number 4. Errors of omission are A. Technical errors. B. Error of principle. C. Compensating errors. D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Technical error. Question number 5. Payment for goods purchased should be vouched with the help of A. Creditor's statement. B. Correspondence with suppliers. C. Cash memos. D. Ledger accounts. Correct option is A. Creditor's statement. Question number 6 is investment should be vouched with the help of A. Commission book. B. Broker's book. C. Sales deeds. D. Minute book. Correct option is B. Broker's book. Question number 7. Object of verification of assets. A. Physical verification of assets. B. Checking value of assets. C. Examining the authority of their acquisition. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 8. Auditor is not valuer was stated in. Correct option is A. Kingston Cotton Mills case. 9. Book that should be verified with the help of A. Balance sheet. B. Amount received from debtors. C. Debtors schedule. D. Certificate from the management. Correct option is C. Debtors schedule. 10. A special auditor is appointed by the. Correct option is C. Central government. 11. A company auditor can be removed before expiry of his term by. Options are A. Shareholders. B. Board of Directors. C. Central government. D. State government. Correct option is A. Shareholders. 12. An auditor of government company has to submit his report to the. Options are A. Shareholders. B. Central government. C. CNAG. D. Ministry concerned. Correct option is B. Central government. 13. While checking allotment of shares, the auditor should see that it is made within A. 100 days of issue of prospectus. B. 120 days of issue of prospectus. C. 150 days of issue of prospectus. D. 180 days of issue of prospectus. Correct option is B. 120 days of issue of prospectus. 14. A company can issue redeemable preference shares if authorized by. Correct option is B. Articles of Association. 15. Premium received on issue of shares later forfeited should be transferred to. Options are capital reserve. B. Shares forfeited account. C. Capital account. D. None of the above. Correct option is D. None of the. 16. Special resolutions means. Correct option is B. 2 by 3rd majority. 17. Auditor is an dash of a shareholder. Correct option is B. Agent. 18. Dash audit is forward looking. So it is cost audit is forward looking. Question number 19. The meeting held by the company within a period of not less than 1 month and not more than 6 months is called dash. Options are A. Statutory meeting. B. Annual. C. General. D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Statutory. Question number 20. Dash audit is not a statutory requirement. A. Management. B. Financial. C. Tax audit. D. All of the above. Correct option is A. Management audit. Question number 21. Which among the following is not a function of the auditor? So correct option here is C. Preparing final accounts is not the function of an auditor. 22. The scope of auditing does not cover. Options are A. Vouching. B. Checking arithmetical accuracy. C. Ledger posting. Correct option is C. Ledger posting. 23. Which among the following is an example of intangible asset? A. Goodwill. B. Patents. C. All of these. D. None of the above. Correct option is C. All of these. 24. Investigation is required when A. Fraud is suspected in business. B. An accusation of running business. C. All of them. Correct option is C. All of them. 25. Preliminary expenses not written off are treated as A. Fixed assets. B. Intangible assets. C. Fictitious assets. D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Fictitious assets. 26. A fixed audit program is also called a dash program. Correct option is A. Tailor-made program. 27. A progressive audit program is also called a dash program. Options are tailor-made, man-made, auditor-made, skeleton-made. It is skeleton-made program. 28. Current audit file consists of. Correct option is C. Matters related to the year of audit. 29. Test checking is done when there is an effective system of dash. A. Internal control. B. Internal audit. C. Internal check. D. External audit. Correct option is A. Internal control. 30. Partial auditing is usually done by. Correct option is A. Sole trading concern. So, it was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others. Thank you.